Hello, lords and ladies. It's your girl, Snake with Legs, and today I'm bringing you a no bullshit. Do you hear that, Marks? So you have to stay out of this. I'm bringing you a tutorial on the Celtic Cross. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do before even shuffling the cards is come up with an intention and a question. Having those two is really going to help you in this process. So the intention is going to help you balance out whatever question you have. So in this example, we're doing a simple love reading. So I have the question worded as, how will I find love? The intention, though, is understanding myself and the situation. That balances any bias that the question will bring into it. Next, you're just going to shuffle the cards as you do. Just go through whatever process you have. I don't really do anything because I think the magic is in the moment. That's one way to say it. So, but a lot of people, they like to tap 3 times or say a prayer or something before actually doing anything. One step that I like to do is find the significator card for the querent or yourself. So I know my card is the 8 of Cups. You could use any card, but if you're going to be using the astrological attributions for the cards, I'll have them up on screen for you. So let's say that your birthday is June 11th to June 20th. Your significator card is going to be the 10 of Swords. So what you're going to do after you shuffle is go through the deck and find that significator. Okay, so now that you've found the significator card, what you're going to do is cut it so that the significator card is on top of the deck. Then you're going to take that card and set it to the side. This spread takes 10 cards. So you'll take this one, place it here. This represents the situation, so the mood regarding the situation as a whole. The second card you're going to place across that, and it's going to be the opposing forces for good or for ill. Card number 3 is going to crown you, and you place it above that little cross, and it represents the conscious, like what you know consciously about the situation. So any knowns that you have are going to be up here. This is kind of like your state of mind. The 4th card is basically the opposite to the 4th, or to the 3rd, and this represents your subconscious thoughts regarding the matter. Generally, this is where the problem lies, or the root of the problem. In this case, with the love reading, you're going to need to think about what subconscious fears might be holding you back or preventing you from answering your question, or from getting the answer that you want. The 5th card is going to be the past. So this is near past, something that's passing away, maybe something that's not relevant to you anymore, or something you're getting over. So this could be a past relationship, or a living situation you were in, or maybe just a vibe or a mood that you're not really connected with so much. The 6th card is opposite to that in the way that it's the near future. It's something that's moving into your life. It's an energy that's getting brought in. The 7th card you want to go to place over here, and it represents the querent or yourself. This is the archetype of you for this question or situation. The 8th card represents the environment that you're in. So if you're in college or at work, this card could represent that. The 9th card represents your hopes and fears in the situation. So this card, number 9, is very much connected to number 4. And looking at how all these cards connect is what's going to open up the reading. One card may have more information than the rest, but they're all interconnected. The last card is number 10, and this represents the final outcome of the situation. Generally with tarot readings, for me, they last around 2 weeks to a month. So I would expect this card to manifest in about that amount of time. So that's it. It's not too complicated. A lot of people, might exaggerate the complexity of this reading, but each card really has its own little box that it fits in. So connecting it is the artistry and what you're really going to work on for this. So we have the situation, the forces opposing that situation, the conscious thoughts, the subconscious thoughts, the past, the near future, yourself or the querent, the environment, so kind of where it's happening, the hopes and fears, and then the final outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you appreciated the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.